Hello friends, and welcome back to another virtual story time with Miss Liz. Today is another snowy day where I am in Philadelphia, so I thought we could choose another snowy day book. Today's book is Bear Snores On. This story is by Karma Wilson, illustrated by Jane Chapman, and published by Simon and Schuster. We're gonna meet lots of animal friends in this story. Here we go. You see it begins in the forest and snow is falling. Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson, illustrated by Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in a deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. See the bear snoozing in here? Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Just then, an itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark," so he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. So now Mouse is in the bear's cave and starting a fire to get warm. The coals pit-pop and the winds don't stop, but the bear snores on. So Bear didn't get woken up by the mouse and the fire. Do you think something else might come along to wake it up? Let's see. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Ooh, so now we have the popping of the corn and the brewing of the tea and the crackling of the fire. Do you think Bear's gonna wake up yet? Let's see. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. What will it take to wake this bear up? A badger scuttles by, snuffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." So now there's a badger too. And they nibble and they munch with the chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. I think we're about to see some more friends join the fun. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. So now we have the bear and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 other animals. When is Bear gonna notice this? They tweet and they titter, they chant and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, and then a small pepper flake makes the bear chew. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. I think Bear's finally woken up. Uh-oh. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls. Bear roars and rumbles. Bear jumps and stomps. Bear growls and grumbles. Uh-oh. Bear is awake and he is not happy. Is he angry at the animals? Let's see. Oh, but then, "Ooh, you've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." Oh, seems like Bear is sad about being left out. Bear whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Boo-hoo-hoo. But then Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Mouse is saying, "The party's not over, don't worry." So Bear joins in. Bear gulps, Bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. Looks like they're all having fun together now. And when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Look how the tables have turned. Now Bear is awake and everyone else is asleep, and it looks like they're enjoying being close to Bear, who is big and warm. And that, my friends, is the end. I hope you are all as cozy as Bear on this cold, snowy day. Thank you all again for reading with me, and I will see you tomorrow for more great books. Thanks for watching.